I came from a small country town. I never thought that I would necessarily be here, but I think if you're ambitious and you're courageous, they're really great things to promote yourself and your career. I studied a Bachelor of Nursing at Trobe. My mother has had chronic mental health issues since I've been very young, and so I had been very used to kind of looking after her, and I became very interested in healthcare and associated healthcare professions. That desire to help people grew in me, and so I applied for a position and was successful at getting it in Bendigo. I grew up in a tiny little community. Whilst Bendigo isn't Melbourne, it certainly was a large town for me to move to at the time. We have lots of patients that come to Peter Mac, obviously from the country, because we provide statewide services. So whenever I come across patients from the country, I can really relate to what they're experiencing, some of the stress that they have travelling to Melbourne, and just the fact that they're country people. I started my career at Austin Health. It was the Austin Hospital back then. I loved clinical nursing. I did love being around patients, but I was becoming increasingly frustrated with systems and models of care and processes, and I was always looking for opportunities to improve things. I have a natural mindset towards doing that. I realised pretty early on that to make a difference, I needed to get into some leadership roles because leaders can influence change, obviously. Here at Peter Mac, I spend a lot of my time actually joining the dots and connecting people, and I love doing that. And so my job is to really enable people to do the best that they possibly can, and often that is through connecting smart people together. Staff that are drawn to cancer environments just have something special about them, and it just creates this amazing environment where people are able to thrive. I've got adjunct professor appointments in a number of universities in Melbourne. That's really important, not only from Peter Mac's perspective about being Australia's leading cancer research institute, but also getting back from the universities, who are these huge ecosystems that have resources and talented people and people who also want to make a difference. So the connections into universities are really critical. I love spotting an opportunity, and I really love to take a risk and look at some strategic challenges as well, and really to turn that strategic opportunity into something that benefits the organisation and also benefits patients and the Victorian community at large.